Alright, as you can see, I've got a blue card here on the table, and I need a card selected from the red deck. So if you would, just say stop as I go through the deck. Right there. And this will be your card, the 10 of diamonds. And they get to write their name on that. So that's their card, the 10 of diamonds, with their signature on it. Believe it or not, if I take the 10 and rub it on the blue card on the table, the blue card becomes their signed selection. You see, this is no longer the blue card. The blue card is over here.